Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we will show you how to change your system's default language, which will take effect in the EasiSign workflow process. The Change Language feature allows you to translate the system's default language into your preferred language, and also allows you to set the system so that the recipient views the interface in the relevant language as soon as they start interacting with the system. Now, let's get started. First, I will demonstrate how to change your default language during the workflow creation process. If the user you are sending a document to has not worked with SigniFlow before and is not English speaking, it may be difficult for them to get around the application. The ability to change the default language for a targeted individual is really useful in such instances. Step 1. Create, upload, configure and add recipients to your workflow. Start by tapping on the Create New button in the left-hand navigational panel or your dashboard. Upload your document or documents. Configure your workflow settings. Then add the workflow's recipients. Step 2. Change a recipient's default language. When you add recipients to your workflow, under Additional Settings, you will see an option for language. You can select the individual's language from this drop-down. This will ensure that they receive all communication from the system, and in the system itself, in the selected language. Next, I will show you how to change your default language within the EasiSign login screen. Opening the document through an email will take you to the login screen of EasiSign, where you can change your default language settings. Step 1. Open the document you received via email by clicking on the Open Document button. You will be directed to a login screen before you can continue to EasiSign. Step 2. Change EasiSign's default language through the login. Click on the Change Language drop-down in the top right-hand corner. Selecting an option from this list will update the whole system to display in the selected language. Lastly, I will demonstrate how to change your default language within EasiSign. Step 1. Open the required document. You can open this document through email or your SigniFlow dashboard. I will open my document through the pending basket within the dashboard. Open the document by clicking on the Open button in the corresponding row within the table. Your document will open. Follow the on-screen instructions until your document is open for review. Step 2. Change the default language in EasiSign. You can change your language from here by opening the collapsible menu in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will display. Tap on the Change Language tab in the menu. From here you can select your preferred language and the system will update. And that is how to change your system's default language for EasiSign. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo, or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.